trying to maneuver a big horse in small areas is very difficult, and they have all done a great job from day one to now. It's crazy on how much of an improvement they've made in 3 days, so it's awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, the ones that I'm used to all this stuff.
Okay.
The other ones I totally forgot about. I didn't see them. They're better than mine here.
Big boy.
Do the spin like move. Well, like around the world or whatever.
You want to walk around? Oh, me too. You want to? All right, you want it.
Start talking about that. You know how to stop them.
Sweet.
I want to be by myself.
Good job.
He's like, why would you?
Slow clap!
Alright, we've got all of our horse campers, pool conductors up here, and on deck we have Teen Quest and Teen Outdoor Living Skills.
Hi guys, my name is Peanut Butter, or Peter. This is my second year at camp, and I had Colt. Also Kiwi, who is the other coach's counselor, and she's on the bus. So I'm saying hi for her too.